Shadow, you think we're gonna win this one?
Yes.
I hope we are.
Protect the objective.
I got my UMP-45. One bullet every 2 years that does 1 billion damage. It's basically a bullet that's a nuke that does 1 billion damage. That goes at 1 mile per hour. Oh, bet. Let me get up this stupid hill. Whoa there!
One enemy remains.
Well, oh, I'm... Nice, I just put like 8 bullets in your back trying to shoot him. Yeah, facts, you would be 100% dead. You would have died on the second shot, I'm not even joking.
Secure the objective.
This gun's too overpowered.
One
Got him.
enemy remains.
I got a headshot, and then I got a body shot, and then he died. I'm coming, man. Nice. Pow, 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 pow.
Protect the objective.
Wow. He better say he's joking, bro. No sight yet?
You are the last operator standing.
Come on. I have no audio. Because it's glitching out, I don't know why. It's been doing this a lot lately on Roblox.
The objective is
Not
being
even just this
secured.
game. Are you seeing that? I can't even hear my bull. Oh, now I hear them. Dude, the gun is delayed, so when I click way too fast. And when I click way too fast, it shoots like 3 bullets and then it stops, and then it shoots 3 bullets and then it stops. It's insane. One thing I've been making a lot of... Oh, I just got... What loadout am I stuck with? I think that's my G36C loadout. If it is, I'll keep it. If not, I'm switching to something else. If we get a shotgun user, remind me to switch to my P90.
Yeah, I think I've seen your
Protect the objective.
Wait, who are they? Well, they know your old username, so they've got to know you pretty well. I can't... I don't even call you by your old username that much anymore either.
One enemy remaining.
Got him? No sign of the other fool yet. I thought I just had a bug crawl down the back of my shirt. That was weird. Good thing this gun shoots fast. We both shot at each other, but we both missed like the first 10 rounds. We just Swiss cheese the buildings behind us. Flim Flam. Flim Flam really called me a UMP-45 user. That's what I thought. Cover the hallway a little bit.
Last enemy remaining.
Other guys on the stairs, be careful. I've hit him, dude, I've literally put like 10 bullets into this dude. Finally, it took a headshot. This dude has like double. Oh, he's in. Okay, never mind. I thought he knew your old username because he knew you. No, he knows your old username because in Blackhawk, if you pull up the leaderboard, it says your old username.
One enemy
Cooked him.
remaining.
Nah, I almost did. I have like half HP. He hit me so many times. I do not deserve half HP right now. Camping their spawn.
Oh yeah, I know.
I've already checked like 3 times. They're just camping their spawn. Same. What the? Teleporter. Teleporter. I just turned around and you're standing there like some sort of horror movie, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. First of all, you might want to tell the audience that was a joke, because people will take you seriously for some reason for that. But I'm not even gonna lie, bro. That was straight out of a horror movie. I just turned around and he was just standing there. He was just standing there looking at me. Like, ooh, that should have given me goosebumps. I don't know why it didn't, but that totally should have. That was insane. Nice. Is it 619? 619, like the size of YouTube videos. 619. Oh, mine's like 1280, 980, something like that. So when you watch my videos on YouTube, it looks like you're in. It looks like it's in movie theater mode for some reason. Yeah, I know. I've learned that's what gamma stands for. If you go into your monitor settings, which I don't know if yours has any, but mine does.
One enemy remaining.
There's a thing called gamma, and that's like the overall brightness of like everything, like just everything in general. At first, I just thought it was colors. No, it's just the brightness in general. On ledge.
The objective is
No, you
being
aren't.
secured.
Well, it was on the ledge a few seconds ago. He's got a sniper rifle. Don't let him one tap you. Got him. You hit a headshot, but I got the kill. Man, hit like is insane. He's pushing ledge. He just ran across. I just watched him run across the hallway.
Last enemy remaining.
Dude, I cannot aim. I mean, he was pretty far away, but like I hit like half of my shots.
Protect the objective.
Not really. I mean, I can watch the stairs that lead to the ledge, but mainly I'm watching for the sniper. Found him. Okay, I hit a headshot. I'm just gonna let him die in a few seconds. Don't go for the guy. Never mind, go for him. He's the only one left. I hit a headshot on the guy right next to you. Yeah. I hit a headshot, but hit Reg so bad he didn't die yet. Dude, fun fact. If you get a headshot, he's calling me a hacker because he says the G3060 isn't that good. I didn't even realize until right before the match ended. Yeah, he might be. I don't know. I don't know who he was talking to. He might have talked to you. And if he was calling you a hacker, then he completely forgot that I just got a headshot on him. But anyways, did you know hit reg doesn't count your bullets. Hit reg it takes a while for your bullets to count. So if you get a headshot and it's a decent headshot, due to hit reg, he will die. You just have to wait a certain amount of time because the game's registering it.
Protect the objective.
Yeah. I know a lot of people who you can tell that they turn hacks on and off and stuff. Like, you can tell they use hacks, but they just choose not to use them sometimes. Cooked him. No. That was a clean headshot. Dude, I got 2 headshots. I don't know. Dude.
Secure the objective.
Yeah, but one of us always does die eventually. Pushing me, pushing me. They're pushing me, be careful.
One enemy remains.
He's pushing me over here. Or he was. I don't know where he went.
The objective is being
Sniper spot. Nope. Nope. There he is! It looked, dude, look at it. It looked like I shot him from the side. He was facing me, and then when I shot him, his body just went flying to the left, or the right, I mean. That was hilarious. Okay, be careful. Watch the stairs. One's been pushing the stairs like every time. Yeah, stand on that wardrobe. Stand on the wardrobe there and watch the ledge. Because you can see on the ledge when you stand on the wardrobe. Broke his ankles.
You were the last operator standing.
I might blend in here. I have no clue. I hope I do. I didn't blend in, but that dude's blind. I mean, I might have blended in, but he wasn't even looking at me. I can't even hear my shots. I know. It's because we're a good team, and like no one plays 2v2s right now. Everyone does like 5v5s because it loads so much faster. I know. This is insane, dude. We're having today's the best day of my life. That is the best song ever. You know the song "The Best Day of My Life"? That perfectly describes this video. I know. Last time. No. Okay.
Protect the objective.
Bro said noobs? Sure. Watch him say noobs and then we win.
You were the last operator standing.
Yeah, I know. Snipers are pretty good at what they do. I'm stuck.
One enemy left.
Oh, I got a headshot! Yes! Literally just right now. I killed the one guy behind the barricade and then the other guy was hiding.
Secure the objective.
Don't go that side.
One enemy.
No way I hit that. No flipping way. 1 inch of his head was sticking out of the ground. He might be. He was just standing there. Anyways, I cannot believe I hit that, bro. That was insane.
Protect the objective.
Hmm.
Last enemy remaining.
He caught my shots, but we still got 3-0. Ain't no way. Bro, we are way too good of a team. Dude, today I am locked in, bro. I've died like once throughout the whole time we've been playing. Bro, we are way too good of a team. Anyone who's watching this video, if they watch my other videos, they know I cannot. They know I normally get 5 kills and maybe a few deaths, but they know I cannot ever just carry my team like this, or even like just my team helps me out. I always end up losing when I'm filming. That shows how good of a team we are. And that's in 5v5s. Oh boy.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
Protect the
H-I-R-Kia.
objective.
He's I'm almost 99% sure he's a hacker. I've versed him so many times, and every time he one-taps me with a pistol. It's not like, oh, he shoots a few AR rounds. No, he literally just runs over, one-taps me with a pistol, and calls it a day. You good, bro?
You were the last operator standing.
Oh! P90 time. He's gonna call me a P90 user, but, can't just ignore the fact that he's hacking like that, man.
Secure the objective.
Not allowed in the American system. Yeah, they might be just straight up camping Ob. I think both of them are over there. Be careful.
You are the last operator
And you're
standing.
cooked. Nah, bro, nah. Okay. Everyone go to the comments and call Hierarchy a hacker, because, I mean, it's pretty flippin' obvious. Sorry, I'm flanking their spawn. Nah. Hacker. Dude, he said LOL. This very clearly he's a hacker. And then I'm not basing it off his KD. No, I'm basing it off the way he played. You can tell he's hacking. Always knows where you are. Always one taps you. If we get put up against him, I'm reporting him, bruh. Okay, don't start yet. Don't start yet. Okay, now start. And to switch loadouts. The queue didn't even start for me until I said start. Oh. Wait a minute. I might know him. I might know Walter. One of my friends on Discord just changed his name to that. So, either this is a huge coincidence or he's actually playing the game. Because I have a friend on Discord that changed his name to that, and he loves this game. I think that's Japanese, actually. Chinese normally has way more lines. They're both over there.
One enemy remaining.
Coming, man. Yeah, they're both over there. None of them are over here. No, just keep watching. Just keep watching. Watch. Just watch. Because I've been checking this area thoroughly, and there's no one over here. Or at least not yet. He might be AFK. Woo. I was about to say, I might go check.
Secure the objective.
Yeah, kind of. It was partially tags. I seen like the first and second part. Dubs. They were both trying to snipe. Who's he calling a noob? Noob Habble? I don't know who he's calling a noob.
Objective.
Him or his teammate, I can guarantee it. He's calling one of them to a noob. Watch your side. They're both over there. What? I just checked this corner too. Can I take his gun? His gun looks cool. That's interesting. Bro had a stroke. It's Joe Biden 2.0, guys. Oh man, YouTube's gonna take this video down just because of that joke. I'm calling it. Someone's gonna report this video or just leave a hate in the comment section, a hate comment for no reason. I just accidentally yeeted my mouse across my desk. Who? Oh, Mitiko. I've seen him before, but I don't know what one it is. There's another guy who looks just like him, and his name's similar, but it's not the same thing. Their name is close to the same thing, but the other one's a hacker, I think. I think this is the clean
The
one.
last operator standing.
Maybe not.
The objective is being secured.
Nah. No, he doesn't know where we are. He was trying to figure out where we were. No one there. No clue.
You are the last operator standing.
And you got cooked.
One enemy remains. Protect the objective.
Bro says he's not hacking. Dude, when someone says they're not hacking, that kind of makes them instantly guilty. I know exactly where he is. He didn't know exactly where you were. It's a camping spot. I know exactly where he is. I even know how to get on there. What? Huh? What? Nah, bro. Ain't no way. Oh, he's using P90? Bet. Two can play that game. Pretty sure he's right down there. He's down here by his spawn somewhere. He's using a bug. He might be in those crates. Be careful. How's he using a bug? That's the only bug I know on the map. You have to protect objective, right?
30 seconds remain.
Oh wait, don't go down. Don't jump down. Oh, he's taking it. I don't think I think he can't take it in 30 seconds. He might be able to. Has he started taking it yet?
The objective is being secured.
Oh. Yeah, you're good. Don't move. He might try to know where you are. Bro, just hide.
Down to 10 seconds.
Dude! We seen that, bro. That's a cool glitch. That might be how they know where we are. No, when you laid down, we could see through the wall. Yeah.
Secure the objective.
Bro says we have hacks. Exactly my question.
One enemy remains.
Bro, I sound like a cowboy. Dude, I sound like a cowboy every time.
The objective is being secured.
Dude, whenever someone scares me, I sound like a cowboy. I know, he's calling me a hacker too. Bro, I got 1 KD! You guys 0 KD and I got 1 KD. You got 2 kills and 2 deaths. 2 kills and 2 deaths. Yeah, you can go into the negatives. You can go like anywhere from like 10 KD basically, because if you're even over like 5 KD, you're instantly hacking, unless if the other people are all just noobs. Huh? Yeah. I know, he was calling us both hackers just because we won. Mr. Walker.
Protect the objective.
I'm trying not to. I say that at the beginning of every round. I use the P90, cause I didn't mean to use P90. I just forgot to switch. I'm not that type of person to just go around and be unfair and use OP guns. The P90 is by far the most OP.
One enemy remaining.
I don't know.
Secure the objective.
Yeah, I need to switch.
Protect the objective.
Yeah, I mean, the fact that we I mean, I wasn't trying to, but the fact that we set up an ambush. Dude, one guy literally looked at me and he looked away as if I did not matter, which I kind of did. Guy up. Got him.
Enemy remaining.
Bruh. Our spawn, our spawn. Run, run, hurry, hurry, hurry. He's coming at you. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. I did get a headshot, so you possibly could hide and wait. Shoot him, shoot him. He's right there. Woohoo! George Bush, everybody. I don't even know who that is, to be honest. Yeah, but I've heard that name before. Alright, we got time for one more round. Bro. I'm gonna stick with my P90. Or P90, my G36C. I got time for one more round in this video and then I'm gonna cut the video. That's all I got time for. I don't like to go over 30 minutes. Especially since no one really likes brm5 right now. brm5 gets no views on YouTube. I'm not joking. Yeah, not anymore. Even guys doing like stupid videos would get plenty of views. But now it's just you get
Protect the
cooked.
objective.
I mean, they would, because people love FPS games, but no one knows of it because not only is it glitchy, so everyone hates it right now, but on top of that, it's also really messed up.
You are the last operator standing.
And you're cooked.
The objective is being secured. Last enemy
Cooked him.
remaining.
I seen him. What do you mean? Clear. I don't think your monitor's wide enough. If you didn't see him, your monitor's not wide enough. Nah, bro. Nah. Wait. I shouldn't have tried to peek the corner. I should have just stood there. I shouldn't have even shot, actually. I was trying to shoot so he would come back around the corner. Nah, he started shooting me through a wall.
One enemy remaining.
What? Nah! Nah, bro. Ain't no way. Behind you. Behind you, bro. He's down the hall. He's camping up. There he is, bro. That's how I died on the table. I even have video proof of it. So y'all want to have aimbot today? I'll use most overpowered gun in the game. Be careful, he's right around that corner. Not that corner, the other corner, by the stairs. Told you he was coming down that hallway. Jump over the railing. Jump over the railing on those stairs. You won't expect it.
30 seconds remaining.
Yeah! I knew it, bro. My strategies are the best. I know, I could see it on your screen. I know, I seen that.
Protect the objective.
Twizzy Rich Mar. What kind of name is that? Bottom guy on the other team, if you look at the leaderboard.
You are the last operator standing.
Nah, bro. Bruh. I've been playing this game for like 2 years. Obviously not 2 years straight, but I've known this game for like 2 years and I've been playing it. And I don't even know that. He's got aimbot. I know where most of the kids are and I don't know where that one is. Got one. Other one's hiding behind the truck. Got him. I put 2 bullets in his head. Yeah, I'm gonna remember where that camera is.
Protect the objective.
See him? He's glitching. Nah, bro. He's shooting me all the way at spawn. Go all the way around. Go around. Well, I'm hiding because he just sniped me before I even left spawn.
One enemy
Get cooked.
remains.
Push, push, push. He might be pushing. Actually, I'm on full health. He shot me once. No, he shot me once. Through a window.
30 seconds left.
Yeah. Okay, scare him off. Run, 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 run. Just run and hide. Don't die, man. Keep your deaths down.
Down to 10 seconds.
I'm camping his spawn. That is dirty. Got him. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.